In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy on your HP SmartTank 5103. Let's get started. So take the paper you want to make a copy of and you're going to place it on the scanner lid over here. I simply open this lid like this. Whoops. The important thing to know is that you simply need to align the paper, okay, so that this corner over here, the top left corner, touches the top left corner of the scanner. So bring both together over there. Then close the scan lid and we need to go on the control panel over here. Make sure the printer is turned on so that you see something going on the display. And to make a color copy, you need to press this green button over here. To make a black and white copy, this button. And if you want to make an ID copy, it's that one. And I'll show you also how to do one just after this. So to make one copy, you simply have to press once the button that of your choice. If you want to make, let's say, 2 pages copy or even more, you need to press that button multiple times and you're going to see the number over here updating. So for this example, I'll make 2 copies, black and white. So I'll press twice on this button over here. 1, 2, and you see the number 2 will start flashing, stop flashing, and automatically the printer will start copying. So right now it's scanning and it already starts printing the first copy and then the second one will come right after. It's that easy. Now let me show you how to do an ID copy, okay, this with this button. So I'll remove the document. Let's say this is my ID card, okay, it has 2 sides. Most ID cards will be on both sides, and we want to make a copy of this on so that on one sheet of paper you can see both sides of the ID card. In that case, open the lid over here. You're going to place the first, so you're going to place side A of the card. Let's say this is side A, this is side B. Okay, going to place it somewhere in this section. It doesn't have to be precise, but let's say I want to place it in the middle over here. Should be on the left side. Close the lid and you're going to press once on the ID button over here, once. Then select if you want in black and white or color. Let's say I want a color, so I'll press the color once. Wait. Okay, right now it's scanning this side and you can see on the display here the side A is blinking. Wait again, usually it takes around 8 seconds to scan that side, and then we'll have to switch it on the other side. Okay, perfect. Open the scan lid, take your ID, turn it on side B, put it at the same place, and close the lid and press on the blinking button over here once and wait. After that, the printer will start printing the copy automatically. So let's wait a few more seconds. It has now finished scanning the B side of that ID card and the copy is printing at this moment. And here we go, we got our results. And as you see, we have side A and side B of your ID card. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please take a moment, subscribe, comment down below. And if you need some paper or some ink or even a new printer, check my Amazon links down below. Every time you go through them, you support my channel. I get a very, very small commission. Thanks.